Okay, as I'm approaching here, there's a lot of weed right at the loading dock. Not really good, but I'm also going very slow. And I notice that the waters are going to the left of me, which means I'm going to be on the right side of the dock. So that way the boat will float right into the dock and I don't lose it. And I think I should be okay. So I'm just spotting it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. What a mess. Yucky. Okay, I'm gonna do it on this dock. All right, let's do it. Look at all this mud. And it's windy like crazy. Nope, but hold on. Only one. Hang on. Here's the crazy thing. If you go inside this water, you're in trouble. You're gonna go deep. And I got a little block right there, just as a backup. I've got my tires backed into the dock just as a backup in case I start sinking. Now now this is the muddy hell. Wow. So now I'm gonna go on a little fun ride. So
Grab this. I'm gonna go look for the other boot.
Hang on.
Grab this.
No, don't need the boot. I'm gonna just jump in there.
Why?
Grab that. Just watch.
All right.
Have a little
Wait, at
fun.
least he's a boot, Dad. At least he's a boot.
Yeah, he was probably a pig of some sort in his last life to be trying to jump in the mud right now like this.
If I fall in a mud hole.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh. Should I focus on helping you get the boat together or making sure the shot's good?
Should I jump in? Just
It's a genuine question. No, God, no. I wouldn't.
All right, so bring that bad boy closer.
Okay.
Anthony, well, you got to record, bro, so you're wobbling all over the place. So all right, record, Steve. I got it from here.
Wunderbar,
Not my first
as Anthony
rodeo.
would like to say. Wunder.
Don't lose it.
Wunderbar.
Wait, I'm gonna pick up that big old piece of turd there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Don't fall, Dad. You get it?
With the shot of me falling into this crap, you'd love that.
Oh.
You guys thought I was